friends, I'm Donzera. Today we are going to learn how to install the gates, as you see. Now its base, we dig it 2 feet. As you see, those iron bars, they are 6, and their length it is 1 feet 10 inches. Now this pillar, it's iron bars that we carved it 8 inches. Its height it is 4 feet. Let's go. Now this is the way how we carve this ring where it is 13 inches. Now we do 6 and 7 and start carving it. It will look like that when it is finished, like this. As you see, it will look like this. Now this pillar, each side you use a bridge to make the horizontal line. Even the gate, that side use a bridge to make a horizontal line. Even here. Now down, it must be on the same level. We put those timbers, make a level. As you see, those are sports poles. Stop it shaking.
Yep, that's right.
That is a bridge. What I've been saying. Use that bridge to make the horizontal line. Even on that metal pole, we use the bridge. After that, we install those timbers. As you can see, now I've finished installing it.
So